Hey guys, this is Akshit, and today in this video, I'm going to talk about masters in data science. So, which all colleges are good for masters, and how you can basically, uh, what all exams you have to give, and what is the procedure. So, first in this video, I'm going to talk about MSc specifically. In a later on video, I will also talk about MTech. So, for BSc students, basically they cannot give MTech, they cannot take MTech. So MSc is the only option. So for MSc, actually the number of colleges are pretty low, which offer MSc in data science. So one of the best colleges to do MSc in data science is Chennai Mathematical Institute. So Chennai Mathematical Institute eligibility. First, let's see the eligibility. So, basically, Chennai Mathematical Institute is the best institute for mathematics in whole of India, and it's actually it's maths maths papers are of Olympiad level problems they give. It's मतलब IIT JEE से भी tough, more tougher than IIT JEE. So, but for data science specifically, the portion is not that tough. It's not even JEE advanced level, so you can do it. If you have to just you have to work a bit hard, but it is achievable. Okay, so the eligibility: undergraduate degrees such as BA, BSc, BMath, BStat, BE, BTech with a background in mathematics, statistics, or computer science. So this is the eligibility criteria. So the tuition fee is 2 lakh per semester, and they do provide financial support. Uh, Partial and total tuition fee waivers will also be available based on the financial background of the student. Okay, so everybody can join regardless of their financial status. So let's see the entrance exam details. Okay, so so the entrance exam is a test of aptitude in mathematics, statistics, and computer science. The questions will test familiarity with school level mathematics, discrete mathematics, probability theory, logic, and programming. So you can just see the sample questions. So basically, you can just, I will show you the latest paper. So 3 hour. This is a 3 hour paper. Total 90 marks. 36 for part 1, 54 for part B. Okay. So you can see like these questions you can try, and this is not that hard, right? These questions are not that hard. If you do practice and do study basically all the topics that are given, you can crack this. So the syllabus of yeah. So when I click on more details, here is the syllabus. So school level mathematics, arithmetic and geometric progressions, AMHM, GM, polynomials, matrices, determinants, linear equations, prime numbers and divisibility, GCD, LCM, modular arithmetic, logarithms, basic properties of functions, elementary calculus. So these all are basically school 11th 12th में जो पढ़ाया था. Discrete mathematics, sets and relations, combination permutations, elementary counting techniques, pigeonhole principle, probability theory, and so you can see probability theory, logic, and a bit of programming. So and they have also given the reference books based on which the paper will be there, based on which the paper will be given. So you can refer to these books also, or you can download a PDF maybe online if it is available. And you can basically check out the paper. I will link this website in the description, so you can check it out. And it is not that hard, frankly speaking. but there will be competition. So you have to make sure that you score as much as possible. So I'm not saying कि सबका हो जाएगा, that everyone will get admission, but it's like if you are focused, then you can get it. It's not impossible. Okay, so this is basically entrance exam details. Now let's see the placement details. So in this placement page, they have not actually given the data science. They have not actually given the MSc in data science ka placements. They have only given placements of MSc programs. They have MSc in computer science also. This is most probably the this is most probably kya? This is the MSc computer science ka placements. So mean offer is 12.88, median offer is 14.8. MSc in data science was actually started in as you can see 2018. So 2018, 2019, 2020. 2020 will be the first batch. So the details of 2020 batches are not given. And you can see that they did go for summer internships, and for that the statistics have been given. Average 40,000, almost 39,000, ranging from 16,000 to 80,000 per month. So you can earn quite some money by if you if you are able to crack the exam and complete the masters in data science from Chennai Mathematics Institute. So this is like the topmost this is like the top college for MSc in data science. At rank 2, in my opinion, is DAICT. So this is also a very good college. This is in Gujarat. So you can see the program overview. 2-year degree MSc. So this is an intake of 60, and in this Chennai Mathematical Institute, the intake is around 20 to 30. So this is one of, so it makes it more hard to get into CMI, but it's not impossible, as I said. So here the total intake is 60, and similar tuition fee and fee structure. So the syllabus, entrance test will be mathematical aptitude, logic reasoning, and basic programming. So MCQs from 4 section: maths, stats, computer science programming, and quantitative aptitude. Okay. So, and this program has started from this year itself. This in DAICT. So we don't have the previous exam papers, because this year the first exam will be conducted. So this is 1 hour 30 minutes, and you can just check it out if you want. And the detailed syllabus, let's see the syllabus. So the syllabus is basically logic, reasoning, verbal ability, okay, quantitative aptitude, computer science, data structure, programming concepts, algorithm, mathematics, sequence and series, functions, differential equation, regional algebra, calculus, statistics, probability. So yeah, you can check out the syllabus. I will also put the link in the description box. Okay. Yeah. So basically these are the two main colleges in which you can try to get the best colleges in India, in which you can try to get MSc in data science. Now you might think that why are there no IITs mentioned? Because the IITs don't give MSc in data science. They do MSc in mathematics, applied mathematics, statistics, mathematics, and computing. also, but no MSc in data science. So that if you do MSc in maths and stats, that will more likely to be, you know, research oriented, not job oriented. So basically, you will not learn data science when you are doing an MSc in maths or stats. So you have to learn it separately, maybe. Okay. And the main thing which will attract and the main thing that will attract you uh, and the main thing that will attract the companies is your CV, your resume. So if your CV and resume shows that you have done some projects, you have participated in Kaggle competitions, then you are bound to get interview calls, and then you have to just crack the interview, and voila, you get a job. Yeah. So so that brings me to the end of this video. So guys, please subscribe if you liked the video, and thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.